E major, you know an E major chord, D major, and hopefully that D major is going a little faster now. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Start on E major. 1, 2. Ready, go. All right, get ready for that D major. 3, 4, and E major. 3, 4, to D major. 2, 3, 4, E major. 2, 3, 4, to D major. 2, 3, 4, E major. 2. Okay, let's get ready for that D major. 2. Let's get ready for that E major. 3, 4, and D major. 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and you may count 8 notes, and 3, and if you'd like, you may count 16ths. 2, and a 3E, and a 4E, and a 1, and a 2E, and a 3E, and a